This 2011 Cessna 162 Skycatcher has just been listed for sale on AvPay by AirSpace. This 2011 Cessna 162 Skycatcher is a light sport aircraft designed for simplicity and fun. It features modern Garmin G300 avionics, making navigation and flying easy. Affordable and fuel-efficient, it's ideal for time-building or recreational flying. With low maintenance needs and reliable performance, it's a comfortable option for pilots seeking an enjoyable and economical flying experience. Head to AvPay.aero for full details and to contact the sellers.